Hey everyone, what's going on? It's Eli here from the Deep Discounts Club, and today we are taking a look at the FIERCEVAC 2-in-1 air duster and vacuum. This is the box that it arrives in. As you can see, it's just a plain black box. This is my first time opening it up. We have some foam on top. We've got the suction tube, carrying bag. This looks like the user manual. Nice and small. Here we have the device itself. Here you've got the actual, looks like vacuum suction. As you can see, there's a filter right there. Then you got this brush, some type of rubber connector. And you've got these different attachments to fit into smaller spaces. And it comes, of course, with the USB-C cable. And it looks like even more attachments here. In order to figure out what all these attachments do, we look at the user manual here, and it tells you, and you can see what each of the nozzles are called up there. So you basically have one side, that's the blower, one side, that's the vacuum. And for the vacuum, you can unscrew this right here. And you can attach on this attachment, which has that filter inside, which, by the way, you can remove to clean off the inner filter. And you can get all the dirt out of the vacuum that way and start using it again. Do that and then twist, and now we're on. And this will be a vacuum. There's actually a little flap right there to ensure that nothing comes back out. And you can even use this attachment. Just stick it straight in, and you'll get some length with your vacuum. And then you can attach this one on for basically a full-on vacuum experience. When you aren't using the vacuum, you'll just want to keep this cap on, and you can attach all these different attachments to the blower. There's like about 6 different attachments. So what we got here is basically a long blower. You can go ahead and clean out a lot of stuff with this one. It says in particular, this one can clean static or thick dust adhesions. You have this one, which is meant for like keyboards, computers. You got this one, which is for swimming pools and inflatable beds. And you can actually go ahead and attach it to this rubber thing here, like this. And that'll allow you to use this for storage bags and compression bags. If you just want to go ahead and blow air into those, it'll create a nice seal with this rubber here. Then you got this one, which you can use with this tube that I mentioned earlier. I'll show you that in a second. You basically want to stick this attachment inside this tube. This attachment can also be used for blowing up swimming rings, beach balls, yoga balls. But the nice thing about this is you can reach this into very tight spaces. You can just like funnel this down into a cavity, and you can blow that out as well. And then the final attachment right here, this one's just for cleaning out narrow spaces. So if you want to attach any of these attachments to the actual blower, you just go ahead and put the attachment inside like that, and there you go. So all the attachments are meant to fit inside here. So you can run the vacuum or the blower, whichever one you want, and it's constantly sucking in air and exporting that air out this side. So in order to turn on, let's go ahead and see. We'll want to flip the switch to on, and it'll show you the battery percentage there. You can flip through the speeds just by pressing it. It's really that simple to operate. Let's see the battery percentage. Now let's go ahead and test this thing out. So that's pretty much it. Everything works as expected. This thing, when charging, it'll be flashing red when it's charging, but when it's done, it'll be green. So it's nice and easy to understand there. I like the bag. Everything will fit nicely inside this bag for sure. Thank you for watching the video. Comment below if you have any suggestions for the future. Be sure to subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.